Welcome back to another video. In this video we're actually gonna be collecting the sticks that we cut in winter. If you remember, if you have seen that video, we're gonna collect them and bring them all home today. But first, before we get started with that, we have to actually empty the trailer, which is sitting full of the sticks that I brought a long time ago. They're all clean and ready and they can come here to the yard and we can process them later. So let's go start with that.
What happened to your sticks, go to girlies? They're going away. What's up, Marshmallow? There you go. So we have done one pile that was there and kind of like a half, because the first sticks, the first wood was really crooked and it was like going like both ways, so it was pretty difficult to start it up, but I think it's quite okay. The tire is doing fine, and yeah, we're gonna go dump this one, come back and get the rest of this load and maybe another 1.5, because the next pile is a bit small. So yeah, let's see how much we get done, but the goaties are gonna be really happy about it. So yeah, let's go home.
we give them this giant pile of small ones.
Just like flip this one. Milkshake!
Yeah, thank you.
We're gonna dump this one and straight away drive away. We already have given them some and they're going insanely fast through them. They just like clean them and then we just flip them like a steak. And yeah, so let's empty this one, go back. I think it's gonna be another 3 to 4 trips.
Work as well. Next year we'll build a low trailer maybe. Come loose. We are leaking diesel. This is a bit too much. Kind of a waste there.
So we have a small problem. These trees were way too long, so we'll have to cut them. Otherwise, we're gonna ruin the barn. Whoa!
It's like a nest, it's like an eagle. You cannot fall out. It's so bouncy. A stork.
Pick your nest for your girl.
Far out of foot. Well, that's a big call. Yeah, I can't put them deep either.
Whoa, they are falling. Those should have been in the water. Whoop! Ah!
No, it's caca. So we have collected everything except one pile all the way there, which we will collect actually when we come to cut the wood, because we still have to do that before the leaves come out. We have to cut our firewood. This will be partially our firewood, but the neighbor actually, he marked us some wood that we can take also for a real firewood. So we're gonna get some bigger pieces mixed in with these smaller pieces, which makes for the end of the result much better, because we really need firewood, and this saves us a lot, and it's super close to our home, so we can get it with our tractor. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, let's bring this home, unload it, and then we're gonna do some other small jobs. Well, that's not gonna cut either.
So while I was walking, I saw something orange, and I was like, I knew that David didn't bring his scissors now.
Yeah.
So he left them when he came alone, which was 3 weeks ago?
3 weeks ago, and
it was raining consistently, and it's still working.
10 out of 10 scissors.
Really good scissors. Okay, take this with you. Close them though.
There's not much water in there at all, nothing.
Pretty good. And we're sitting like kind of also like in a ditch, and it's been literally raining for 2 weeks.
Back away they go.
Back on they go. It has not even been 24 hours.
This one's been on the fuel.
all of them are working hard. Literally everyone's eating on a tree. Yeah, really productive, really good. We are done. We have brought all the piles, and as you saw, our neighbor was kind enough and he wanted to get the last one, and it was actually pretty fast. He got it up with a fork, and luckily we went, like he decided to go get the other pile, because that's how we found the scissor that was left there, which we wanted to use today or tomorrow, which would mean that we would look the whole property, the whole barn and house, everything to find it. So that's good, because we already had lost the scissor once and we couldn't find it, I think, for 2 months, even though it was in a pretty stupid place. But yeah, we got all of them. It was, here we have, I think, 3 piles, well, 3 loads. And up there, I think it was like 5 piles, right?
Yeah.
5 piles, plus the other one our neighbor brought, which we left, as you saw, down there. And yeah, this is the processing line. It goes from here to the goats. As you saw, so they cleaned a lot already for today, and they love it. If they didn't like it, they wouldn't eat it, but they really, really, really love it. They go first for the ends, and then they go full on cleaning the skin. But in this video, we also wanted to wood chip the other piles. Well, originally also we didn't mean to get all of them, so we would have some time. But yeah, we got all of them, so now the sun is kind of setting and it's getting pretty cold, and we are done for the day. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video. And if you're interested in my German vlog, my German trip, make sure to subscribe in my channel as well. There's gonna be a vlog coming up, hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. I'm getting cold. I should have been wearing a hat. But in the morning, it was nice and warm.
Let's go inside.
Oh, it's comfy.
Go.